So this Saudi Arabia Football League is getting serious. When the first few big-name players move for the $1 million salaries, Mr. Chuck, this is sustainable and won't affect the big leagues of Europe. But listen to these names: Cristiano Ronaldo, Karim Benzema, N'Golo Kante, Neymar, Fabinho, Firmino, Jordan Henderson, Sadio Mane, just to name a few, all transferred to the Saudi League in one season. And when you consider the salaries being paid, we are about $500,000, $600,000, up to $700,000 a week. Not very many players, not very many professional players can and will say no to that kind of money. So logically, if things continue like this, it will be just a matter of time before the football world starts paying more attention to the Saudi Arabian League. And if the stars continue to roll into that league, people will not only start to watch, they will begin to enjoy and eventually begin to love the Saudi League. So this notion that the elite status of European club football is sacred, think again. Because money talk and the Maverick walk.